to pass Monday morning.
Hey, the stock's ready. I don't give a fuck.
That's
Salt? Oh, lots of rubber.
lots of burnout class.
I just watched my ETCs and they were staying right around 14, so I kept going.
Fuck yeah! Let us all, right?
Isn't that awesome?
Are the lights on?
Oh yeah.
Flickering the entire time.
That's hilarious. Just a little brake job.
Just a little bit toasty.